everyone, welcome to A Simple Tweak. I'm Evelyn. I share easy and delicious family-friendly recipes. Today I'm making the most tender and flavorful meatballs. The meatballs are sauteed to perfection and are simmered into a simple homemade tomato sauce. First, let's start by making the tomato sauce. For this, you need to roughly chop half of a small onion, a small carrot, and a single stick of celery. I also added 2 roasted peppers. Then in a saucepan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add the onions, carrots, celery, and the roasted pepper. Then stir to combine. To infuse a nice flavor into the sauce, I decided to use a splash of red wine. This is optional, but highly recommended. Add 1.5 cans of tomatoes. In this recipe, I use whole tomatoes and chopped tomatoes. However, you can use just one type. Continue by adding half a cup of water. Then add the spices. I'm using Italian seasoning, oregano, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. For exact measurements, look in the description down below. Using an immersion blender, blend for 1 to 2 minutes or until desired consistency. Then continue cooking. Let's prepare the meatballs. Did you know that one of the secrets to juicy meatballs is adding white bread to the mixture? Let me know in the comment section below if you have any other tricks to make juicy meatballs. Next, cut the bread and put it in a mixing bowl. Add milk or water and mix until well combined. Then set it aside. Next, mince the garlic . Roughly chop a handful of parsley. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground meats. I'm using pork and beef. Combine the meats with the bread combination and add 1 egg, chopped garlic, parsley, and a little salt and pepper. I use my clean hands to combine the mixture. It's time to roll the meatballs. Scoop out the meat into a tray. I use a cookie scooper to make things easier and make sure all the meatballs are similar in size. Now it's time to roll the meatballs. A great trick to avoid the meat sticking to your hands in the rolling process is to wet your hands. So I suggest keeping a bowl of cold water next to you. I have another trick for you. Sprinkle the meatballs with cornstarch. Adding cornstarch will create a crispier brown exterior that prevents the meatballs from falling apart in the sauce. Once all the meatballs are ready, it's time to cook them. In a skillet over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the meatballs until golden brown. Then add the meatballs into the sauce and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, meatballs are ready. These are perfect for a meatball sub sandwich, or you can go the extra mile and quickly boil some spaghetti to make a delicious spaghetti and meatballs for the family or a date night. You can also add some fresh herbs like basil, and don't forget a little grated Parmesan cheese. And dinner is on the table. Thank you so much for watching. If you took anything useful out of this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Looking for more videos like this one? Click here or here, and I will see you in the next video.